In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to the product gallery in WooCommerce, whether you're looking to showcase your products in a more dynamic way or simply want to provide your customers with a better look at what you're offering. Adding a video can really enhance your product pages. Videos are an excellent way to grab attention, engage your audience, and ultimately boost your sales. So if you're ready to take your WooCommerce store to the next level, follow along as I walk you through the process step by step. It's simple, effective, and you don't need to be a tech expert to get it done. To get started, head over to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, find the Plugins option and give it a click. Plugins are the tools that let you add extra functionality to your WordPress site, and this is where we'll begin. Once you're on the Plugins page, look for the Add New button at the top and click on it. This will take you to the WordPress plugin library, where you can search for the tool we need. Now, in the search bar at the top right corner, type in WooCommerce Product Video Gallery. Once you hit Enter, you'll see a list of plugins. The one we're looking for is called Product Video Gallery for WooCommerce. When you locate it, simply click on the Install Now button. The installation process should only take a few seconds, and once it's finished, the button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Now that the plugin is active, it's time to configure it. Next, navigate to the Product section in your WordPress dashboard. Here you'll notice a new option called Product Video WC, which is where the plugin settings live. Click on this to access the settings page. This is where you can fine-tune how videos are displayed in your product gallery. For example, you can set the slider to display horizontally, enable slider responsiveness so it looks great on any device, turn on autoplay so the video starts automatically, and even add a fade effect for a professional touch. Once you've adjusted the settings to your liking, don't forget to click the Save Changes button. This ensures all your changes are applied. Now that the plugin is set up, it's time to add a video to one of your products. To do this, go back to the Products section in the dashboard and select the product you want to edit. Click Edit to open the product editing page. Scroll down until you see a field labeled Product Video URL. This is where you'll add the link to your video. You can use a video from YouTube, Vimeo, or even upload one directly from your computer. If you're using a platform like YouTube or Vimeo, head over to the video you want to use and copy its URL. Make sure it's the full video link, as this is what will embed the video on your product page. Once you've copied the URL, return to your WordPress dashboard and paste it into the product video URL field. Double check that the link is correct, as any errors here might prevent the video from displaying properly. After you've added the video, scroll up and click the Update button to save your changes. This step is crucial, as it ensures your video is now attached to the product and ready to display on your site. Once the update is complete, go ahead and view the product page on your website. You should see the video embedded right there in the product gallery alongside your images. Finally, click on the video to play it and make sure everything is functioning correctly. Watch a few seconds to ensure there are no issues with playback and confirm that the video looks good within the gallery layout. And that's it. The process is complete. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.